Key performance indicators, or KPIs, are an essential part of measuring how your insurance agency is doing, whether looked at over time or compared to goals and industry benchmarks. Today, we are looking at revenue per employee, a measurement that reflects productivity and efficiency. This valuable metric is calculated by dividing the agency's total income by the number of employees, including the agency principal. Revenue per employee is a valuable way to track productivity gains within a single agency over time. It can validate efforts to increase sales and improve efficiencies, and is helpful in assessing when it may be the right time to add or reduce staff. When comparing to your peers, it is important to note that regional variations in premiums and commissions will impact this KPI, as will compensation of employees based on cost of living disparities and other factors. For that reason, looking at the spread, or the difference between revenue per employee and compensation per employee, can be helpful in assessing what an agency has available to spend on overhead or consider as profit. Calculate your agency's revenue per employee each year to see if your office is gaining on productivity. Compare your agency's spread against others of similar size and location to measure performance and gauge whether you may need to make changes to staffing levels or compensation.